In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I automated all of the responses to my video comments using OpenAI and ChatGPT, and I have fine-tuned this to perfection. Now, I understand there's some moral and ethical considerations to this, so if you're sensitive and don't like what I'm about to share with you, you feel free to turn it off right now. However, if you want to increase your productivity, fire your remote VA who's living in the Philippines and just doesn't quite get all the comment responses correctly, this video is going to be for you. I'm about to blow your mind and change your life. This is not a simple Zapier automation that you can just go online and figure out yourself. There's some nuance to this that I'm going to be sharing with you, and I'm going to go ahead and get this kicked off right now. All right, what you're seeing here is my medical YouTube channel. Now, the reason I'm showing you this one is because it's established, it's been around for a while, and the integration worked. Now, let's go through some of the comments that this actually replied to. I'm going to get rid of haven't responded to, response status, I responded. Now, all of my comments right now are responded to using AI. So let's go ahead and see what some of these actually look like. All right, now let's just look at some of these amazing comments that it spit out. Read this one here. It's a very long comment. ChatGPT actually read the entire thing, and this is totally generated by AI. Sounds like you've done a lot of research and have found something that works for you. It's great that you found a way to increase your blah, blah, blah. That's wonderful. And then I always have it finishing with another question. It does it one day later, which brings them back to my page to leave another comment and engage with that same video. Absolutely incredible. And I've watched this for about 2 weeks before I let it loose and stopped checking. Now that you see what it can do, the power of it, let's dive in and show you how to actually build it. So unlike Zapier, Pabbly has a direct integration with YouTube. It is the only automation tool that has the direct integration with YouTube that triggers when a new comment is made on a channel. Make does not have this. Zapier does not have this. Nobody else has this. All right, so we're going to set up a new workflow. The trigger is going to be new comment on a channel. You're going to sync your channel here. Now, I will give you a big alert right now. Want to make you aware before you try and link your YouTube channel. If you're not monetized, if it's not an established YouTube channel, you're going to run into an error. I have 2 YouTube channels, my marketing and my medical one. It will not sync yet for my marketing one, I believe, because it's not monetized. It's hard to get a direct answer from Pabbly, but just know if it's not integrating, I'm sorry. This is going to be for established YouTube accounts. All right, let's jump right in and look at that automation. So new comment on a channel. Here are the settings. This part is easy. The part that's not easy, we're going to use OpenAI to generate content. Look at the prompt that I use here, and I will drop this prompt in the video notes so that you can copy it, but I'm going to go ahead and read this for you. Write a kind response to the following YouTube comment that follows these rules. It should not give personalized medical advice. That is illegal. It should be kind and informative. It should be friendly. It should be between 2 to 4 sentences. Write as if you were a medical doctor. End each response with a clever follow-up question. Here is the comment. I really like that it ends each response with a clever follow-up question that will bring them back to the page, and it will look more human. For temperature, I leave everything else default. I leave max tokens at the default because I tell it how many sentences to use. And then best of, I just said to pick the best one. And then simple response is checked. The next step in this automation is the wait function. I like to wait for 1 day. This gives a more human feeling that they actually took the time to respond around the same time the next day. It also is a good time because that person's likely active, and it will bring them back to the YouTube channel. So my recommendation here is 1 day, but if you want to do it immediately, at least give it 10 minutes. And then the action is reply to comment. So you just copy that reply text from the previous step and the comment ID, which you will also get from that first step. Once you have that, the automation is good to go. And this has been running seamlessly for a long time. Now, if you found this helpful and you want to use this automation inside of your own Pabbly account, please use my link to sign up for Pabbly if you found it helpful. And then once you do that, please send me a DM on my Instagram account at CMOJFeldman, and I will share the exact link and prompts for you to use so that you don't have to try and rebuild this all on your own. And if you found this helpful, you need to be subscribed to the channel. I share really helpful marketing tips, especially when it comes to AI. It's going to help you get ahead of your competition. So like this video so you see more like it. Leave a comment if you tried this and it works, thanking me. And if you have anyone that is a YouTube content creator, please share this with them so that they can benefit as well. Thank you so much. Send me a DM so I can get you over that share link and so I can get you over those prompts. See you in the next video.